Hi, Brad KASTEN here. Would you like to take an exclusive look inside my acrylic pouring membership, the Pouring Studio? Well, starting Monday, April 25th, I'll be going live every single day and give you a Whirlwind membership experience. Monday, you're going to learn one technique, and we'll be working on this technique all week long. I'll give you a technique walkthrough and a step-by-step demonstration. Tuesday, I'll show you a few different ways you can apply this technique and give you a couple more demonstrations. Every technique has multiple ways to do it, so Tuesday is all about how to expand this technique and do it in a variety of different ways. Wednesday, you're going to learn some topics that you could apply to all of your acrylic pour paintings, not just our technique of the week. Thursday, we'll have a Q&A, so I'll answer any questions you might have regarding our technique or any other acrylic pouring questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Friday is acrylic pouring demonstration day, and you know what that means. I'll be doing another paint pouring demo for you. It's going to be a whole lot of fun, and I hope you can join me. Everything starts on Monday, April 25th at 3 p.m. Pacific time, 6 p.m. Eastern time. If you click that link below, it'll take you over to the Acrylic Pouring Extravaganza page. That has the links to join me every single day, all week long. And you could also sign up to get some amazing free acrylic pouring resources. So I look forward to seeing you on Monday at 3. Click that link below, sign up, and get your resources. It's going to be a blast. Talk to you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.